famous.
Well, what are you looking at then, oh mighty Jupiter?
Planet Earth, my dear Vulcan. The 20th century. Oh, what misery. What senseless waste and confusion. Men and women looking on in dumb horror.
Well, what is it?
The Paul Daniels Christmas special.
Well, shall I zap him with me thunderbolt?
Not yet, Vulcan.
Oh, bloody hell, ambrosia and nectar again. It's always the bloody same. I killed for sausage, egg and chips.
Seen better days, hasn't she, Venus?
Look, Duke, are you going to let me use this thunderbolt or what?
What's the rush, Vulcan? You've got the whole of eternity. In a few thousand years' time, you will be able to use it for the great benefit of mankind.
Doing what?
Killing people who play golf. Now, what's this? Ah, yes. Britain. Chelmsford. 123 AD.
Gracientus, I have the distinct impression that someone is tampering with the mail. Listen to this. Letter from the Emperor. The Emperor Hadrian urges all provincial governors to take swift action against any rebellious tribal leader except Badvoc, who, despite having a roguish appearance, really has a heart of gold. In fact, anything he can do for the Romans he will, just tip us the wink. Not the epistolar style we're used to from our divine emperor.
Aulus, I think I know who's been tampering with the mail. Badvoc.
That's brilliant, Gracientus. You know, we're wasting that brain of yours here. It could be wedging open a door somewhere.
But how are we going to prove it's Badvoc?
Easy, I have a plan. All we need is a case of the old tongue loosener.
Oh, not my best wine again.
Yes, just one glass and he'll let the beans out of the bag.
No, you mean the cat.
Yes, sorry, beans out of the cat, I'm sorry. Stupid language. Anyway, whatever. He'll be legless in no time. and then she takes off the last veil, right? And you'll never guess what?
She was a bloke.
No! She was a bloke!
Well, thanks for the drink, Aulus. I must be off.
Hey! Badvoc, tampering with the imperial mail is it... Oh, have I ever shown you this ring? This is the magic diamond of Selena. This ring has amazing properties. So the story goes, the wearer of this ring will one day rule the world. It's me. Aulus, world rule. Do you see what I mean?
No, I'm afraid I don't.
That's that. It's because you are intoxicated. You are incapable of intelligent thought and coherent speech. I have no alternative but to go blah and pass out. Blah!
Full stop. Let's read that back. And so, my dear sister, while accidentally pressing my ear against Aulus's door, I couldn't help overhearing the sensational news that the ring your dear husband wears contains the famous magical diamond of Selena. I immediately thought that the only person with the ingenuity, the will, and the irresistible charm to relieve Aulus of this ring was you. I know it's a long way to come from Rome, but here in Chelmsford there is the answer to your wildest dreams, the key to unimaginable power, and late-night shopping on Thursdays. Thanks once again for your last letter. I was sickened to hear that in the Emperor's last purge, Father was mutilated and sent to Syria in 47 separate parcels. But look on the bright side. He always wanted to be posted abroad. P.S. The only other person who knows about this ring is Badvoc, the leader of the local tribe. But he is too stupid to realize its importance and value.
Quick, let's get this ring off. Damn, it's stuck. Right, who's got the butter? Here. Look, we're only removing the ring off somebody's finger.
I've got a bit extra just in case.
Just in case what? We have to glaze 50,000 carrots on the way home?
Let's just cut his finger off.
Don't be ridiculous.
Now, look, it'll be easy. You just take a knife, you saw through the outer skin, slice through the gristle, you take the point of the knife into the socket, snip the cartilage, rip off the finger, slip off the ring, finger back on.
Brilliant. And what are we going to stick the finger back on with?
Butter?
Oh, my gorgeous. Oh, is that you? Oh, my sweet. Come, walk with me, skip through the misty glades of the forest. Come, skip my peony petal, skip through the bluebells, skip, skip, skip.
Badvoc, one kiss and he's a dead man.
To bed, my sweet, to bed, to bed, to bed.
Intruders! Intruders!
Quick, get in the bed.
Guard! 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 Aulus! Aulus! Wait up! What? There's been a break-in.
Gracientos, how dare you burst into my bedchamber like that?
Well, you're alone, aren't you?
Yes, of course I am, but supposing that lying here next to me was some gorgeous young...
A butter, anyone?
There you go, Posty. Go on, drink up, son. There's plenty more where that came from.
Cheers.
Eat up, help yourself. Always an honour to entertain the Imperial Postman. Well,
There's a lot of mail from Rome this month.
how long are you going to be?
I don't know.
Well, look, get a move.
Thanks for everything, Badvoc, but I really must be making a move now.
You can't go just yet, Posty. Surely you can stay for another 10 minutes.
No. I really must leave now. Now, where do I put that bag?
Well, what a shame. What a shame you have to go now. Means you won't get a chance to meet her. But never mind.
Sorry?
Oh, it's just some stunningly beautiful girl with this insatiable sexual obsession with postmen. It's funny, really. She sees a postman and she's just got to have rampant sex with him. Still, if you can't stay, you can't stay. See ya.
I could probably spare 5 minutes. She's really beautiful, then, is she?
Well, I don't know if you can picture perfection in human form, but this girl is it. I mean, the limpid depths of her green eyes.
Go on.
The fullness of her lips.
Yeah?
The moist wetness of
Yeah?
the first week of February.
Finished. Well, when will she get here?
Oh, any minute now, I should think.
Hello, Badvoc.
Ah, Blag? Where is she? Oh, no. I bet you've come to say she's not coming.
Who?
Who? That's right. Who? That's the girl's name. Who? It's a foreign name, I think. Yeah, it's funny.
Who's not coming?
Damn, I knew it. I knew she'd let us down. Never mind, Posty. Another time, perhaps, eh? Well, you best be off, and don't forget your mail, eh?
You will let me know when she comes, though, won't you?
Yeah, we'll keep you posted. Well?
Gracientos and his sister, Marcella,
Ring.
Aulus's wife.
Oh, right.
Yeah, are hatching a plan to get that ring off Aulus. She's travelling from Rome now.
This is exactly the sort of information we can use to our advantage. Come on, let's go.
Here. You want me to wait for that girl?
Who?
That's the one.
What? She's coming here? But why? Why would she want to leave Rome and come to this armhole?
Armpit.
Armpit. Stupid language. Badvoc, that woman, she's a monster. She's insane. She's inhuman.
Look, Alice, she can't really be that bad.
Can't be that bad. Gracientos!
Yes?
Get out.
Yes.
That was her brother.
I see what you mean. Listen, Alice, I've been thinking. I think I've got a plan of how we can get rid of Marcella.
How?
You give me all your possessions.
I do what?
You make me governor. Give me your power, your wealth, your villa, your silk togas, your horses, that insignificant little ring, those golden sandals with the flowers on you. You give me everything.
But I'd have to be mad to do that.
Exactly. And would Marcella want to be married to a madman? No. She'd be on the first boat back to Rome filing for a divorce.
Do you know, Badvoc, I think you just had a very good idea. That's what I'll do. I'll pretend I'm mad. I'll pretend I'm completely around the corner.
Bend.
What a very good idea. I'll bend. I'll bend. And I'll walk in a silly way and pretend I'm completely mad. What do you think?
No.
I know, she's terrified of birds. I'll pretend to be a bird. This is brilliant. Now, what kind of bird shall I become?
I've always thought of you as a tit.
Really? No, I know. I'll become a duck. A duck, that's right.
Pathetic, isn't it?
Yeah. How could a race so stupid ever conquer us in the first place?
He's good, isn't he?
Easily. So far, so good, boys. Got the ring?
It's a bit tarty, isn't it?
I wouldn't wear it. No. Right, lads, that'll be Marcella.
She's good on a trumpet, isn't she?
Come on, you old dragon, get in here.
Good day, gentlemen. Where is my husband, Aulus?
Excuse me. Mungo, stop thinking what you're thinking. You can start thinking it when I've finished thinking it, all right? Sorry about that, your ladyship. My name is Badvoc, the temporary Roman governor of Britain. Put it there.
I'm Mungo. They call me 8 times a night, Mungo.
Really?
Yeah, he's got a very weak bladder.
Can somebody please tell me what's going on?
Yeah, we've had a bit of bad news about your husband, your ladyship. You see,
What's wrong with him? Is he ill?
well, sort of. He's ill in the head.
What, has he gone mad?
Well, let's put it this way. If there's a competition for the sanest man in Chelmsford, I don't think Aulus would feature strongly in the final 16.
Well, let me see him. I must see him.
I don't think that'd be very wise in his present state. You see, he has gone completely gaga. Oh, look, there he is.
Oh, you're Socrates, aren't you, the Greek philosopher?
Am I?
Yes. You don't recognise me, do you?
No.
I'm the pyramids. Perhaps this will jog your memory.
Oh, yeah. I can see it.
What's that? Look, it's a lamb chop, an old lamb chop. A rancid, maggot-ridden old lamb chop.
Oh, my poor dear husband. What have they done to you?
It's a talking lamb chop. I've told you, no talking lamb chop. Yes. It's good fun, isn't it? How am I doing?
Fine, but less of the physical.
Sorry, where's Gracientus?
Oh, he's washing his hair.
You put him in prison?
Yeah.
Good. Well, I'm not standing for this, Socrates. I don't care what you say. I want this old lamb chop removed by sunset yesterday. Come on, boy. Giddy up.
Is he always like that?
No, we're lucky today. Normally he talks absolute nonsense.
I couldn't help noticing he wasn't wearing his ring.
What ring?
This ring.
Oh, that ring.
It's an old family heirloom, totally worthless,
Yes,
sentimental
yeah.
value only. Why have you got it?
He gave it to me. Well, it was a swap, really.
What did you give him?
A cloud.
A cloud.
Well, it was one he'd seen and liked, and I thought, well, why not?
I'm sorry, I don't believe any of this.
Look out, here he comes.
You, hold Alexander the Great. My book, a word. I am Posthumus Cheese Chomper, king of the dormice. I'm in the area, just checking for stray... what's that behind you?
Oh, it's a lamb chop?
Are you mad? It's a tabby cat. A mangy old tabby cat. I've told you before, no cats in here. Look, will you stop thumping me? Look, if you let me do my duck, she'll be gone by now.
Forget your duck, it's going fine. Haven't you got any skirting boards you'd like to nibble, King Cheese Chomper?
Oh, yes, I have. Yes. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Squeak, 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 squeak.
It's just too awful.
Yeah.
My poor darling husband, totally unrecognizable. Oh, if only I had something to remember him by. This worthless ring, for example, would mean so much to me. I'd do anything to have it.
Anything?
Anything.
Does anything include everything?
I am Neptune, king of the oceans.
I don't believe this.
Neptune and I, ruler of the deep. I am the king, and the waves are my subjects. You, say hello to one of my subjects. Oh.
Right, that does it. Excuse me, Marcella. It's time for Alice's medication.
Oh! Is he all right?
Yeah, just a mild sedative. Shall we?
Here, Mungo. Is madness infectious?
Of course not.
Told ya.
Come on, eat up.
This is, interesting. What is it?
It's horse.
Horse.
Takes a lot of careful preparation, horse, you know. I mean, you don't just kill a horse, slap it on a table. You have to do things to it first.
Got to get the rider off it for a start.
That's right. And then you've got to detach the cart, otherwise you wouldn't get it in the oven, would you?
Badvoc, as much as I'd love to discuss the delights of Celtic cuisine with these two half-wits, I think we have more pressing business to attend to.
Right, I'll go and muck out the bed.
I think we should pay Aulus a little visit.
Why?
Because I don't believe he's mad. I think it's all put on.
But what about our pressing business?
Aulus first. Pressing later.
Neptune. Neptune. The look on Badvoc's face when I threw that bucket of water over him. I think next time I'll be the god of fire. I wonder how he'd cope with a burning torch up his breeches.
I think he's through here, Marcella. Oh, my God.
What's wrong?
The madness has got worse. He's started talking and doing everything backwards.
No, he hasn't.
You better come and see this for yourself.
Well, he looks all right to me.
How are things, Aulus?
Oh, that's awful.
I think it's brilliant.
He really has gone mad.
Yes, and I'm afraid it gets worse. After the backwards phase, he goes into his standing upside down with his head in a bucket full of pig's liver phase.
Of course, now I'll have to divorce him, you know.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Well, I can't be married to a man who does everything backwards.
Quite, yeah.
Mind you, we weren't really suited, you know, deep down.
Really?
He was very jealous of me.
Yeah.
I expect he told you thousands of foul things about me.
No.
He probably said that I was bad-tempered, violent and mad.
No.
That I take pleasure from stripping men naked and singeing their groins with burning torches.
It never crops up in conversation.
It's because he feels inadequate.
Yeah.
He just couldn't satisfy my needs.
No.
Oh, I need a lusty forest beast.
Yeah.
I need a godlike animal. I need a fawn, half man, half goat. I need a pan.
Oh, I can get you a pan. They're in the kitchen.
Oh, you'll satisfy me, won't you, Badvoc?
Yeah.
Aulus was so poor a lover, you know.
Really?
Sometimes he could only keep going for 5 or 6 hours.
Pardon?
He could only manage to fulfill me 20 times a night.
Really?
You're not like him, though, are you, Badvoc?
No, I'm definitely not like him, no.
Then do your damnedest.
Are you sure you don't want to look at the pans? You're in the kitchen. I mean, choose
take
a
me
good...
back.
Right.
No.
Right.
But first, Badvoc puppet, take off the ring.
Why?
Well, I can't make my love to a man who's wearing my poor husband's ring.
Oh, I shouldn't think Aulus would mind. He's probably got his head in a bucket full of pig's liver by now.
I insist. Take it off and give it to me.
Can't I give it to you, then take it off?
Don't be so impudent, you fetid savage. You're not fit to lie with any woman, let alone a Roman. You're filth, you're scum. You're as bad as that other worm, Aulus. Give me that ring. You spineless abomination, you purulent louse, you grunting primeval pig-faced slug. Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me or I'll shred you to bits!
I'll take it the shag's off.
Badvoc, it's me, the postman, remember?
Listen, Posty, I'm in a little bit of a hurry, mate.
Whatever happened to that gorgeous girl you said you had for me, eh?
Who?
That's the one. I'll tell you what.
Looking backwards.
Alice!
Well, why show up?
Forget all that. You're right. She's totally mad. She's totally insane.
She tried to seduce you, didn't she?
Try to seduce me?
Badvoc, I need a pan,
all that,
Then
yeah.
she pulls a knife on you.
Knife at me throat.
I told you that woman, she's inhuman, she's insane, she's a monster.
And she's right behind me.
And she's right behind you. What?
Excuse me, sir. I wonder, could you help me?
I certainly hope so.
I'm looking for Badvoc.
Yeah, I've just... Just a minute. You're her, aren't you?
Who?
That's right. Actually, I'm a postman. So come on, give it to me.
All right, then. Badvoc, I want that ring! Oh, I see. Oh, dear, oh, dear. You've both gone mad now, and you think you're birds. And as you know, Aulus, I have a terrible fear of birds. So terrible, in fact, that I consulted a doctor. He told me that the only way to overcome this fear was to confront it, eradicate it, kill it.
So much for the ring that gives the wearer unlimited powers.
Die!
Bloody hell.
I thought I told you not to use that thunderbolt.
I'm sorry, Jupiter, but I got fed up with those two prats pretending to be birds.
You happen to have hit that rather attractive young lady.
Oh, no. She was a nice bit of crumpet.
But now she's a nice bit of toasted crumpet.
Oh, don't blame me. You gave me the thunderbolt for my birthday. I wanted a football. You gave Mars a football.
Yes, well...
And a train set.
But...
And a spirograph.
Well, he's the god of war. I don't want to upset him, do I?
Here, Jupiter, you're an all-seeing, all-knowing god who understands everything.
Yes?
Yeah, well, answer me this. What does a producer do?
Well, there are some things even a god can't fathom.